We gotta make a thing. Ooh, this is nice. Hey. Made this table like forever ago. I'll probably insert the clip of me hitting it with a blowtorch like an idiot. But we're not gonna use it for that. This is gonna be my computer desk, and there's just so much more I want to do to make a desk for my computer that ain't gonna happen. We got these legs, and then we're gonna cover it with carpet. We've got indoor outdoor carpet that we're gonna cover it with. And this is gonna be our little workbench to work on, our cleaning machines and little shit like that. It's gonna be a little low. I might use those scraps over there to beef it up, at least bring it up a little higher. But we'll see how that goes. The other unfortunate thing is my construction ability. Oh, see all these nails? We're gonna have to get rid of those. Alright, oh boy, this is gonna be noisy and rough. Let's see if this even works. Let's make sure do safety first. Did I hit record? I did hit record. Okay. This is a fucking sting. That sucks. Whew. Alright, so now he complained Handpaw didn't like how low this was. So I don't know if I should we should probably test the height first. But like I don't want to start screwing into it. I think we're just gonna add. We have those scraps there. I think if I just stack at least two of them thick, it'll bump it up a little higher than, I'm gonna put it like right at hip height, right? Hip height. Hip. We need to get to here. With the deck, it'll be that. So 1, 2, I think 2 will be good. This is all. That ain't gonna work. I think we need to be filming all this.
Oh. Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah. But I'll be able to use these for blocking to raise the height up just a little bit.
Nice.
I think.
Yeah. It's really okay.
You think that height's going to be okay? It's barely at hip. Cutting them a little short too, that way I have that lip to tuck the carpet into. And then in the back there with that piece, I'll just do it. It's time for a new blade. I just need the nail gun. That. I need a film crew. Is this, oop. So I'll do that and then attach the legs. I'll screw into those. So I'm going to nail the first layer, then nail the second layer into the first layer, and then we'll be wrapping it in carpet and it'll be good to go. Sweet. Hopefully, whoa, Billy. Okay, why is it doing that on me? Okay, we're just gonna set you up right about here, and then we'll do the nelly. So I'm just gonna pray this doesn't shoot you. That'll be much more secure that way. Just mark those. They're mirrored. I have the plate come on the inside. Which I think if we do outside, I don't want to do super outside. I want it to be pretty secure.
Yeah.
Do like 2.5 inches back. Now I just need the screws and my screw gun. Screw gun. All right, screwy blue time. Alright. Oop, that's not good. Why is this side wobbly? This side's good.
It's because there's just no bracing in between the legs.
Yeah, I could always throw in
It's fine.
something across it, like this way, underneath.
It's going to be up against the wall, right?
Yeah, as long as it doesn't fall apart.
Oh.
I don't think it'll fall apart. Alright, we definitely fucked up. It's super off balance. We're gonna try moving this up 2.5 inches and that 2.5 inches, and hopefully it stabilizes, because right now it's forward heavy, which if you move something onto it, it's gonna tip, which is no bueno. So yeah, we're gonna unscrew all those, move it back, and then re-screw it. And then I might do a little cross brace underneath to help with the wiggles. I just need to find a piece of lumber long enough, because these aren't, because I cut them all down. Oh no. Booger. Yeah, it's a little better. It's not like, it's not gonna go if you put your weight on it, which is ideal. But I don't like how fucking janky and twisted that is. I'm hoping I can use this to make a cross brace. It's solid hardwood. If we do one of these, I think if we do one of these will be okay. Hopefully. Alright, that did absolutely nothing. It's still wobbly. And this did absolutely nothing. I think I really need support between the metal legs, and I don't think I can do that. There's no way to do that.
Across the bottom.
We could do something across the bottom, but like, where am I going to attach it?
Drill it.
Right. I don't feel like drilling metal. I think it'll be okay for what you're doing on it.
It's fine. It's a workbench.
Yeah, it'll work. Well, you just don't want it too wobbly, but yeah. Oh, well, I'm gonna go eat. Okay, so we technically need a 40 by 64 inch piece of carpet, and we got a giant 15-foot roll, so it's gonna be fun to get that rolled out here. I'm gonna go sweep and do all that. All right, 40, what did I do? 40 by 64? 40. Stop. Is this what you ordered? Is the color right? Is the pattern correct? No.
Every installer I've ever had install their own stuff told me they never saw that.
Yep.
It's in every cut of carpet.
I doubt
It's in every one.
Trim it if I need to, but cool. Oh, is that a train?
Yep. That's the one that used to run behind our old office.
Oh, that's right.
Along the river.
Yep. All right, now we just got a staple. Well, that'll at least do the thing, right? Ooh, why'd you do that? It's not great. Okay. That's it for there. We're gonna fix that leg now. Alright, it's a little better. It's ugly, but it works. It's gonna do the thing. We'll be able to put the machines up here, and if there's water, whatever, the carpet will dry out. It'll be nice. Won't scratch the machines. It's little wobbly, but you know, that's okay. We just reattached the leg because it literally just pulled right out, so I set the depth of the nails. Realistically, I need more than 1.5 inch nails to get through the blocking I used. So if it fails again, I will probably just remove the blocking and the table will be lower. But I think this is good. Good at hip height ish. We don't have to lift as high as, like, you know, the other work table they built. So we'll make it work. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm gonna be done. Now I gotta go edit. Nobody's even gonna watch this. It's terrible. Oh God. Goodbye.